Yes. Students, I'm discussing some whatever the doubts you have now. You posted some of the questions you posted here. Here the question number 5. Resistance R equal to, that is R equal to 5 ohm is there. R equal to 5 ohm. Then XL equal to XL and inductor reactance is given here. XL equal to what? 10 ohm. Okay, they are given parameter. And then XC is also what? 10 ohm here. So that it must be a what? Resonant circuit here. It must be a resonant circuit here. And this value has given here. It is VRMS equal to 300 into what? Not VRMS equal to divided by what? 2, that is. I told you that is. Whenever there is a sine function is there, no? When there is a sine function, so it says V equal to what? V naught into what? Sine of what? Omega t. So that this V naught is nothing but 300 divided by root 2. So that this becomes 300 divided by what? Root 2 it comes. But I want to calculate the current in the circuit. So that current equal to IRMS equal to the current in the circuit equal to VRMS divided by what? Z. But since the circuit is resonant circuit, that we know that Z equal to what? R here. So that I am substituting 300 divided by what? Root 2 into what is the value of R? R equal to what? 30 ohm is there. So that 31 jar, 30, 10 jar equal to 10 divided by what? Root 2 it is. 10 by root 2. 10 by. Or else we can write it in this fashion. Root 2 divided by what? Root 2. It becomes what? 5 or root 2. Even that also not that. 10 root 2. Okay. So that none of the answers are, what is that? Here 10. Here this answer is, but the current in the circuit, he should mention, that is the current in the circuit means, is it IRMS or what? I maxima, that is. Suppose if we consider I maxima equal to V maxima divided by what? R. In that case, V maxima equal to how much it is? 300 divided into what? Root 2 divided by what? R. R is what? 10. 3. Okay. Sorry. That is 30. That is 31 jar 30 10 equal to 10 root 2 it is. So that this is the right answer. 10. But in the question, actually you should mention clearly that which current. Is it I maxima current or I RMS current here? I RMS. But according to solution, it is what? I maxima, that is. Okay. Next. Next one. Sixth one, that is. A positive charged particle moving towards the east enters in a region of uniform magnetic field directed vertically upward. The particle will definitely move in a circular path with a uniform speed here. That is, with a uniform speed here. Because we know that whenever the charged particle moves in the uniform magnetic field, the work done equal to what? 0 here. Work done equal to 0. When work done equal to 0 means displacement equal to 0, or else velocity is what? Constant. There is no change in kinetic energy. No change in kinetic energy. No change in kinetic. Remember this point. Whenever any charged particle moves in the uniform magnetic field, there is no change in kinetic energy, or we can say that change in kinetic energy equal to 0. Change in kinetic energy equal to 0. Next. Here, this problem is based on the surface tension here. Okay. Formula H equal to what? 2t cos theta divided by what? Rho g into what? R. Okay. The angle of contact between the glass and water. Here the two liquids has given. One is water and another one is liquid, that is. Okay. Write down all the given parameters. You write it. Water angle of contact, that is theta 1 equal to what? 0 here. And then it rises in the capillary tube. It is H1 equal to how much? 6 centimeter. No problem. Here no need to convert because the answer is also in centimeter is there. And then surface tension T1 equal to what? 79 per centimeter. It is a CGS unit. Another liquid of surface tension, that is T2 equal to how much it is? 149 per centimeter. And angle of contact, that is what? Theta 2 equal to what? 60 degree, that is. And relative density of this liquid equal to what? 2. So that this density of water or 1 equal to what? It is what? 1. Okay. Then what will be the rise in the same capillary, that is rise in the liquid in the same capillary means what? Radius is what? Same here. So that R1 equal to what? R2 equal to what? R, that is. Okay. What I want to calculate here, how much liquid is what? Rising, that is what? That means H2 I have to calculate here, that is H2. Remember students, whenever which quantity you are supposed to calculate now, that you should write in the numerator, that is H2 by what? H1 equal to. H is directly proportional to tension, that is what? T2 it is. Okay. Divided by what? T1, that is. Okay. This is one factor. Next, this theta is directly proportional. It is cos of theta 2 divided by cos of what? Theta 1. This is second one. Next, H and density, they are inversely related, so that I can write it is rho 1 divided by what? Rho 2 I am writing. Of course, G is same. Then H and R also inversely proportional. It is R1 divided by what? R2. Yeah, because inversely. Okay. Then H2 divided by H1 is given. How much is given? 6 equal to. Okay. What is T2 equal to how much it is? 70. 70. It is, no, the T2 is 140. It is. T2 is 140. T2 is 140 divided by what? 70. Okay. Into cos theta 2. Cos theta 2 is what? Say 1 by 2. It is 1 by 2 divided by, this is 0. It is what? 1. Okay. Into relative density has given it, relative density equal to what? 1 divided by what? 2 into what? 1, because this. Then here 71 jar, this is 72 jar equal to 2 into 1 by 2 into what? 1 by 2 get cancels here, so that you are getting what? 2 you are getting. But H2 equal to how much is it? H1 is how much is given? H1 is 6 centimeter. So that H2 becomes H2 is what? 2 into 1 by 2. Okay. Here it is 1 meter. It is 2 into what? 1 by 2 into what? 1 by 2. This 2 to get cancels. Equal to how much it is? 1 by 2. That is. But H2 by 6 equal to what? 1 by 2 1 jar, 2 3 jar. Therefore, H2 equal to what? 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter is the right choice. I hope that it is clear for you. That is. Next. Okay. An experiment is measured quantities A, B, C, and the percentage is what calculated. What is that equation is? The given equation is here x equal to AB square divided by what? C cube is there. Okay. You know, very easiest problem it is. It is percentage of delta x by x equal to what? It is delta A by A plus of what? 2 into delta B by B plus of what? Delta C by what? C. Since I want to calculate the percentage now, you multiply by 100 for this. That is delta x by x into what? 100 equal to delta A by A into what? 100 plus of what? 2 into delta B by B into 100 plus of what? Delta C by C into what? 100. But in this problem has given the percentage of A, B, C has given. How much percentage it is? 1% plus. This is how much? 3%. 2 into what? 3% plus. And delta C. Delta C is, its a power is 3 is that now that you have to multiply by what? 3 here. I forgotten here. Multiply by what? 3. Here 3 into what is the percentage? That is what? 2%. So that this becomes 1% plus 6% plus of what? 6% equal to what? 13%. It is the percentage of what? Error. So that A is the right choice. Next, I told you in the regular class also, this problem is based on the potentiometer. Very easiest problem has given, no need of any calculation. Here you say this is your wire, it is. This is the wire AB, that is. Okay. Here it is a primary circuit, it should be connected. It is connected like this: positive, negative, resistance, like this. Here connected. Here the EMF to be measured is connected here. The EMF to be measured. The EMF to be measured here. He has connected negative, and this is what? Positive, and internal resistance, and here it is what? Galvanometer he connected. Students, remember, always in the potentiometer, this battery terminal and this battery terminal should be same here. But he connected, one is positive and here it is what? Negative. So that you cannot get the readings anywhere. So that it is none of these here. That is none of these here. Please work out the same problem. If it is positive terminal, what happens? Just you calculate later. That is okay. Here you need to calculate. Of course, in this case, the answer is what? None of this. The reason is what? This positive terminal and this negative terminal, actually they are opposite now. Actually both should be positive, or else both should be what? Negative here. For this, assume that it is a positive terminal. You calculate all the things. First you have to calculate I. I equal to V by what? R. What is V here? Equal to what? 5 divided by resistance is how much? This is 0.5 and this is 4.5. Equal to how much it is? 1 ampere of current is flowing here. That means the potential difference between this and this you have to calculate. What is the current here? 1 ampere. So that VAB equal to current into resistance of what? AB it is. Resistance of AB. What is the resistance of AB has given here? It is 4.5 has given. And what is this current here? 1 ampere. So that this completely it becomes 4.5 volt it becomes here. That is. Then you have to calculate the potential gradient. What is potential gradient? Potential gradient delta V by delta X equal to 4.5 and length is how much has given? The length is 3 meter. So that it becomes 1.5 volt per meter. This is a potential gradient. Getting the point? It is 1.5 volt per meter. But actually the battery voltage is what? 3 volt. Then you can expect at 2 meter we can expect, that is what? Null point we can expect, that is null point we can expect at the null point equal to null point, or balancing length equal to balancing length equal to balancing length equal to, that is potential gradient, and here you are getting 1.5 into 2 equal to what? Into 2 equal to what? 3 volt. You are getting this. This is 3 volt is possible when this length is how much? It is 2 meter. That is okay. Very interesting problem. Please work out. Once again, I discussed in the regular class also. That is, or else balancing length equal to that potential gradient. Something I told you this. Okay, 3 divided. Okay, next. Okay, problem is lengthy problem. If I1 is the moment of inertia of a thin rod, about an axis perpendicular to its length he has given. This is your rod here. About its perpendicular to its what length has given. For this we know that I1 equal to ml square by what? This is equation number 1. Next is I2 is the moment of inertia of the ring formed by the same rod about an axis tangent to the ring and perpendicular to the plane of the ring. That means the given this length is there. Now that is the length of this is this one. The length is the L is the length of the rod. This I convert into what? Circular shape I converted. What is the radius of this? R here. Then can I use it like this? 2 pi r equal to what? L here, circumference. This one rod is there and this is the what? Length is what? L. I convert into what in the form here? Circular shape of radius is what? R here. Therefore, R equal to L divided by what? 2 pi. Good, fine. Now, he is asking the moment of inertia of the ring, that is, it is ring, it is like this. This is the axis passing through its what? Center, and is asking about this, that is y dash, it is a tangent. For this we know that parallel axis theorem, that is a moment of inertia about y dash equal to about moment of inertia about the x dash plus of what? This perpendicular distance. This is equal to m into what? R square, because R is the what? Radius. About the ring, we know that the ring passing through its center, should recall it, passing through center is what? mr square plus mr square equal to what? 2mr square. 2mr square. Okay. This is what I2 I am calculating this. That he is asking, what is the ratio he is asking? We know that I1, this is equation number 2, that is I1 by I2 equal to m into L square by what? 12. Okay. Into 1 minute. I want to, because I want to compare it now, so that I should substitute this value, that is I2 equal to 2m into bracket. What is R square? L square divided by what? 4 pi square. 4 pi square. Then it becomes how much? It is equal to, I think, m into what? L square divide this 2 ja, this 2 ja get cancels. It becomes what? 2 pi square. It is 2 pi square. This value you have to substitute here. Okay. Into, it is 2 pi square. It is okay. It becomes 2 pi square divided by what? M into what? L square. This ml square is get cancels. 2 1 ja, 2 6 ja. So that I1 divided by I2 equal to pi square by 6. This is the right answer. Okay. Next. The momentum of a photon of an electromagnetic radiation is, momentum has given, P equal to 3.3 into 10 to the power of what? Minus 29. What is the frequency associated with it? Okay. Nu equal to C by what? Lambda. This is one equation. And we know that P equal to H by lambda, or else lambda equal to what? H by P. Now substitute this. Nu equal to C divided. Lambda value I'm substituting. H into what? P. It is, that's all. Substitute. Nu equal to C value is how much? 3 into 10 to the power of what? 8 divided by, it is Planck's constant, that is 6.6. Has he not given? 6. Okay, he has given 6.6 into 10 to the power of what? Minus 34 into momentum. It is what? 3.3 into 10 to the power of what? Minus 29. This one 2, that is. Then this 3 divided by 2 equal to 1.5 into 10 to the power. This is plus 8 minus 20. And it becomes minus 21. Minus 34, it comes in the numerator, it becomes 34. That means equal to 1.5 into 10 to the power, how much it is? 10 to the power 50. 34 minus 21, that is 33. That is 1.5 into 10 to the power 30 hertz. Next, 34. Okay. In the third overtone of an organ pipe. Okay. This is 4 notes and 5 notes. Number of notes equal to 4 and number of empty notes equal to what? 5. Draw the diagram, that is like this. Third overtone or fourth harmonic, we can call it as fourth harmonic. Here it is empty note. Here it is note. This is note. Again, here it is empty note. Here it is empty note. Here it is empty note. Always at this in the open pipe, at the end, always empty notes are there. This is note. This point is note. This point is what? Note here. So that he is asking for the third overtone or else what? Fourth harmonic. That means the number of notes are 1, 2, 3, 4 here. Number of notes equal to number of notes equal to 4. The number of empty notes equal to empty notes equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is 1, 5. It is like this. Here, third overtone is nothing but fourth harmonic. It is fourth harmonic. In detail, I given these notes in the regular class. Go through it. First harmonic, second harmonic, third harmonic, and all that. Next. Okay. In the following combinations of logic gates, the output of A is. Okay, fine. Here it is 1 is there, 0 is there. At this point, you say y, it is a NAND gate. Y equal to AB bar equal to 1 into 0 bar. What is 1 into 0? 0. 0 complement is what? 1. Sorry, 1 into 1 is that, sorry. 1 into 1 it is. Y equal to A into bar. A is 1 into 1 equal to what? 1. 1 complement is 0. This is 0. So that here this is also 0, this also 0. What kind of circuit it is? Y equal to A plus B bar equal to A is 0 plus of what? 0 bar equal 0 plus 0 equal to what? 0. 0 complement equal to what? 1. So that here I am getting what? 1 I am getting. 1 I am getting. Okay. Similarly, it is a NOT gate is there. It is 1. This is what? 0. This is a NAND gate. Y equal to what? A into B bar equal to A value is how much? 1. B value is how much? 0 bar. 1 into 0? 0. 0 complement equal to what? 1. So that here you are getting output is what? 1 here. 1, 1. Okay. Then no need to check. This is the right answer. Yes. Next, or else you can check it. For this also you can check it. What is this here? 1, 1. What kind of circuit it is for this? NOT circuit. Y equal to A plus B bar. It is 1 plus 1 bar. 1 plus 1 equal to what? 1. 1 bar equal to what? 0. So that this is 0. And this is what? 1 is there. Here. what kind of circuit it is? This one, this part, AB bar, AB bar, AB means what it is? 0 into 1, 1 bar. What is 0 into 1? 0. 0 complement equal to what? 1 here. So that this is also 1 I am getting here. So that none of the answers are what? Correct in this case. Yeah. Here the none of the answers are correct. I cannot judge it here. Here this is 1 1 1 1. Once again I check it. Y equal to what? A plus B bar. 1 plus 1 is complement equal to what? 0. This is what? 1 0 in, oh, I made mistake. It is not NAND circuit. It is what? AND circuit. AB. This is equal to 0 into 1 equal to what? 0 only. So that this will be 0. So that this is the C is the right choice. C is the right choice. Yes. Okay, students. Now I will stop my discussion. I think if you have any other doubt, please post it to the WhatsApp group. Thank you. One and all. ಏನು ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಹುಡುಗರು ಮೊಬೈಲ್ದಾಗ ನೋಡ್ತಾವ